In this video, we will be discussing the topic of finding good cryptocurrency in 7 steps. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a daunting task, especially with the vast number of coins available on the market. However, by following a systematic approach and doing your own research, you can increase your chances of finding a profitable investment. It's important to note that this video is not providing investment advice, and it's crucial to do your own research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. In this video, we will be sharing our expertise and providing you with a step-by-step guide to finding a good cryptocurrency. We will cover everything from researching the coin and its team to tracking its performance using tools like CoinMarketCap. So, if you are ready to learn how to navigate the world of cryptocurrency investments, stay tuned and keep watching until the end. With our tips and guidance, you'll be on your way to finding a good cryptocurrency that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before we start, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to Money Internet so you never miss a video from us. Now, let's get straight into the video. Step 1 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to research the coins you are considering by reading their white papers and examining the team behind them. A white paper is a document that outlines the technical details and overall vision of a cryptocurrency project. It should clearly explain the problem the project aims to solve, the technology used to solve it, and the team's qualifications and experience. When looking at the team, check for individuals with a proven track record in their field and experience in the industry. A strong and dedicated team is crucial for the success of a project. It's also important to look at the advisors and partners of the project, as their involvement can indicate the level of credibility and support behind the project. By reading the white paper and examining the team, you will gain a deeper understanding of the project's goals, technology, and potential for success. It's also important to note that a well-written white paper and a reputable team are not guarantees of success, but they are good indicators of a project's potential. So take the time to research and be well informed before investing in any cryptocurrency. Step 2 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to check its liquidity and trading volume. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy and sell a particular coin without affecting the overall market price. A coin with high liquidity is more likely to have consistent and stable prices, making it a safer investment option. To check the liquidity of a coin, you can look at its trading volume. This is the total number of coins that have been bought and sold on a particular exchange over a certain period of time. The higher the trading volume, the more active the market is for that coin and the more liquidity it has. Another important factor to consider is the number of exchanges that list the coin. A coin listed on multiple exchanges is more likely to have a higher trading volume and be more liquid. This also increases the accessibility for investors to buy and sell the coin. It's important to note that a high trading volume doesn't necessarily mean that a coin is a good investment, but it does indicate that there is significant interest in the coin and it's easily tradable. So make sure to check the liquidity and trading volume of a coin before making an investment decision. Step 3 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to evaluate the technology behind it. A cryptocurrency's underlying technology can give insight into its potential for success and its ability to solve a real-world problem. One key technology to look at is blockchain, the decentralized ledger technology that allows for secure and transparent transactions. It's important to examine the specific blockchain protocol a coin is built on and how it compares to others in the market. For example, some blockchain protocols are more scalable or have faster transaction speeds than others. Another important aspect to consider is the coin's use case. Does it serve a specific purpose or solve a problem that hasn't been addressed before? Coins that have a clear and unique use case are more likely to have a strong demand and potential for growth. Additionally, it's worth checking if the coin has any patents or intellectual property rights. This can indicate that the coin is not just a copycat of other existing projects and has a competitive edge. It's also important to keep in mind that new and emerging technologies often come with a high level of risk. Therefore, it's crucial to do your own research and consult experts in the field before investing in any cryptocurrency. Step 4 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to check the partnerships and collaborations that the coin has established. Partnerships with established companies and institutions can indicate a level of credibility and support behind a project, and can also give insight into its potential for real-world adoption. For example, a coin that has partnered with a well-known payment processor or e-commerce platform may have a stronger chance of being widely accepted as a form of payment. Similarly, a coin that has partnerships with government organizations or research institutions may have a higher chance of being used in various use cases such as supply chain management or digital identity. It's also worth noting that some coins have strategic partnerships with venture capital firms or investment funds. This can indicate that the project has been vetted by experienced investors and has a higher chance of success. It's important to keep in mind that partnerships alone don't guarantee success, but they can be a useful indicator of a project's potential and credibility. So make sure to check the partnerships and collaborations of a coin before making an investment decision. Step 5 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to stay informed about the latest news and developments surrounding the coin. Keeping up to date with the latest news and announcements can provide valuable insights into the project's progress and potential for success. For example, if a coin's development team announces new partnerships or collaborations, this can indicate that the project is gaining traction and has a higher chance of success. On the other hand, if a coin's development team is facing legal issues, this could be a red flag and indicate potential problems for the project. It's also important to keep an eye out for any upcoming events or conferences related to the coin. These events can provide valuable insights into the project's progress and give you the opportunity to meet the team and other investors in person. Lastly, it's worth following the coin's social media accounts and community forums to get a sense of the sentiment surrounding the project. This can help you gauge the level of interest and support for the coin among other investors. It's important to note that keeping up with the news and developments surrounding a coin does not guarantee success, but it can provide valuable insights into the project's progress and potential for success. So make sure to stay informed about the latest news and developments before making an investment decision. Step 6 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to use tools like CoinMarketCap to track important data such as market capitalization, price history, and trading volume. CoinMarketCap is a website that provides a comprehensive overview of the cryptocurrency market, allowing you to easily compare different coins and track their performance over time. One of the key metrics to look at on CoinMarketCap is the coin's market capitalization, which is the total value of all the coins in circulation. A coin with a higher market capitalization is generally considered to be more established and stable than one with a lower market capitalization. Another important metric to track is the coin's price history. By looking at the coin's price over time, you can get a sense of its volatility and potential for growth. You can also use this data to identify trends and patterns that may indicate future price movements. It's also worth checking the trading volume of the coin on CoinMarketCap. This will give you an idea of how active the market is for that coin and how easily you can buy and sell it. It's important to keep in mind that CoinMarketCap is not the only tool available, and it's worth checking other tools and resources to get a more complete picture of a coin's performance and market trends. So make sure to use tools like CoinMarketCap to track the important data and make an informed decision before investing in any cryptocurrency. Step 7 in finding a good cryptocurrency is to speak with other investors and experts in the industry. By talking to other investors, you can gain valuable insights and perspectives on different coins and the overall market. This can be a great way to learn about new and upcoming projects, as well as to get a sense of the sentiment among other investors. You can also reach out to experts in the field, such as cryptocurrency traders, developers, and blockchain engineers. They can provide you with their professional insights and opinions on different projects, and can help you understand the technical aspects of a coin that you may not be familiar with. Additionally, it's worth joining cryptocurrency communities and forums online. There you can connect with other investors and experts and participate in discussions about different coins, projects, and the industry as a whole. This can be a great way to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. It's important to keep in mind that not everyone's opinion is equal, and it's important to do your own research and make your own decisions. However, talking to other investors and experts can provide valuable insights and information that can help you make a more informed investment decision. So, make sure to speak with other investors and experts in the industry before investing in any cryptocurrency. In summary, this video provides a helpful step-by-step guide to finding a good cryptocurrency investment. The steps include researching the coin and its team, checking liquidity and trading volume, evaluating the technology behind it, reviewing partnerships and collaborations, staying informed about news and developments, using tools like CoinMarketCap, and speaking with other investors and experts. However, it's important to note that this video is not providing investment advice, and it's crucial to do your own research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe to Money Internet for more helpful tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.